Day 2. I'm still waiting for the new cooler, but I need to do some work, so I still need to put this together. So what I did is, this one is, like I said, perfectly fine, and this one, I've got some nice thick wires to connect it. It's pretty sturdy. I think it should be fine for a couple of days until I get the new one and have time to install it. But yeah, it's gonna go in there and we'll see if everything works. And as they say in Tronic Fix, let's put the perfect amount of thermal paste. That wasn't it. Ah, perfect. Now everything is in its place. Seems to be holding nice and good. Mounted at the corner. Light cable management. And we will see once I put it together to see if it works. See you in a bit. And now that everything is connected, okay, this is kind of scary. It's very quiet. Let's see if we get anything on display. Nothing yet. Still nothing. Still nothing. All right. We're gonna have to. Okay. Let's see if it helps when we move the display to this one. Okay. Let's give it a go again. Doesn't look good. Everything seems to be working. Okay. We're gonna have to try other things. Be back. And we're back. That looks nice. What I did is I took all the cables back out and took the CPU out, reseated it, And the only other thing I did is change that 1 second system fan from 2 to 1. The CPU light is now off and we have got a screen. Getting device ready. So now I have a couple of hours of installing software. Wish me luck. Still installing software, but let's have a look at this. Yes. I am not going to overclock it in any way because I don't think I need it to be that fast. But I think I might need to enter the BIOS to change that. Benchmark single. Don't know what that means. Okay. Let's do a multi-thread one. And again, I don't know what that means. Still waiting for this. Anyway, thank you for watching.